Don't swim in the sea of spiritual words. Do not analyze the words. The words are not important. Concentrate on the meaning behind the words. Try to know the principle behind the words. The words are not the ultimate truth. This is the mistake many people are making. They take these words to be the ultimate truth. All of these concepts are layers on your presence. Simply see your selfless self. Selfless means without I, without self. Like sky. Just be with the just be. Just see yourself and how you were prior to the body. The invisible questioner itself within you is the answer. Without the questioner, you cannot question. Prior to beingness, there were no doubts. There was no knower. Doubts started with the body. But you are not the body. The body is not going to remain. Not at all. Reality is prior to beingness. Reality is after beingness. How you were prior to beingness is the stage of self-realization. Now try and digest and absorb what has been said. This will give you spontaneous happiness and peace. Happiness, peace, everything is within you. You've just forgotten that you are the source of it all. You are underestimating yourself all the time, thinking, I am somebody else. I am one of the family members. I am a person in the world. If you are acting in a drama, you know that you are not concerned with the drama. You know it is a role you are playing for 2 or 3 hours. You do whatever duties you are required to do, but at the same time, you remain unconcerned with the world. It is because we came across the body knowledge that all these problems started. Mind, ego, intellect, happiness, unhappiness, depression, tension, boring. All these words appeared. We have given the meanings to these words. What do you mean by boring? What do you mean by depression? Who is bored? What do you mean by peace? Who wants peace? The mind just means the flow of thoughts. The mind does not have any identity. You have given birth to the mind. There is no mind, no intellect. This span of life in the body form is illusion. It can be seen as an interlude, an interruption, a disturbance of reality. You need a realized master to take you out of illusion. Everything has to be erased, including all the memories and experiences from childhood till today. At the stage of self-realization, you will be completely unconcerned with the world. When knowledge turns into conviction, it becomes self-knowledge. Why is spirituality required? Because you have forgotten your identity. Spirituality just means to know yourself in a real sense. We have lost our happiness because we are measuring ourselves in body form. Meditation should bring happiness, but you are measuring it, saying it is boring. Since you are measuring yourself in body form, or as an individual, this is what can make meditation feel boring. But there is no boring. Who is bored? Concentrate on who is boring. Concentrate on the meditator when you are meditating. And eventually the meditator will disappear. Your presence is spontaneous. Spontaneous existence is not behind or in front. You are everywhere, like sky. Is sky behind or in front? There can be nothing without your invisible presence. that is your identity. Without presence, you are powerless and incapable of talking about the world. You are the cause and consequence of the entire world, but unknown to yourself. Witness is just a name that has been given to the ultimate truth. The witnesser or experiencer does not have any form. The body may be suffering, but not you. This is the meaning of accept your selfless self. There is no God, no Brahman, no Atman, no Param Atman, no Master.